Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, mills, saws, welders, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today I wanted to show you a nice machine that we just got in. This is an older machine, but still a great running machine. This is a mechanical press brake made by Cincinnati, 8 foot, 50 ton. It's got powered ram adjustment. These little buttons in here are raising and lowering our ram here. These screws, you can raise or tilt if you have to, either one. There's a little coupling right here. You can take a look. That's how you would adjust to make sure you have a perfect level. Pull your coupling out. You can adjust one side at a time. You've got your indicators here on each side. Now, simple press brake, you can see your die rail here. If you don't know what a press brake is, it uses a press brake dies, top and bottom, come down, and they're gonna bend whatever's inside that metal. And these will go right on here, in there, up there. There's a lot of different ways that they can clamp into there, a lot of different ways. Quicker is always gonna be more expensive. So if you're looking for something with real production, let us know. Of course, there's obviously a lot of options you can add to make that happen. Now, of course, this is what you're going to be making, something similar to these angles. Put it in, as soon as the brake comes down, it's going to bend your piece and you'll get your nice angles. So you've seen how the ram adjustment works. Simple up and down. That's going to adjust for your dies to make sure you have just the right amount of gap between everything. We'll start our machine. Get everything running. Now you notice there is a CNC back gauge on this machine. We're leaving it on, but it does not work. It's not functional. Some people can use them. You can use the back gauge as a stop and make it some kind of manual stop. I don't like to take them off if they're on there because some people can use them and it might work out for you. If not, they're pretty easy taken off. We'll go ahead and cycle the machine. Nice, quiet, simple machine. Very, very heavy duty. Obviously meant to last many lifetimes. Now you can feather down on it. The only thing with a mechanical is you're gonna have to go all the way down to the bottom before it can go back up. Again, you can inch down as much as you want. Get right down to your piece, but you're gonna have to complete the cycle to go back up. Now, that is a little bit different. We have other machines, of course, as well, later model, depending on what you're looking for. I just wanted to show you a few other machines here. This is a brand new 90-ton CNC fully automatic computerized machine. Now this machine uses a CNC controller to let the back gauge go in and out. It controls the ram. It has a crowning so you can make sure your bed deflection. Everything, again, I said, depends on production. So if you're looking to do a lot of production, one of these machines might be the right types for you. I know they're larger, but we do have all types of size. You can see we have a 6 foot down there, 6 foot, 60 ton. It's gonna be very similar to what this original Cincinnati was. Now, take a look at the back gauge just so you can see everything on the machine, everything that's gonna be coming with it. The machine's been tested out. As you can see, everything's working. Again, this back gauge, we're leaving on it, and you could set it up to be a manual stop or back gauge. It's got all the parts, everything there. Some people put chain motors, powered motors, and you could use it as an in and out stop. Again, if you're using it for a small amount of production, a couple of things a week, it's gonna be really easy for you to do. And you're not gonna need to set up or pay for all that CNC equipment. Take a look here, you can see everything running. Take a listen. I'm gonna go right around and just cycle it again. Let you hear everything. Nice running machine. Now, if this is the right machine for you, if you're looking for something mechanical, if you're looking for something hydraulic, electric, servo, we've got just about everything. We work with a lot of different brands, new as well as used. We're looking to buy, sell, or trade. Let us know how we can help. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. for some great financing options, as well as all of our inventory and videos. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.